What is up, Queen Mafia family? And I'm back with another video. Finally. Today I'm gonna be cooking some baked chicken, cause you know we're on our little diet. You know I gotta get rid of this little stomach I got. You know, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I have not been working out for the past month, and I have not been drinking my tea. I don't got the link anymore because I deleted it, but I'm helping people get on diets so they can have a better lifestyle. So I'm gonna be doing a Q&A today of you know, the new me 2020. You know, I always do these Q&As because I want to update y'all on some stuff. It's not the best lighting because I got no ring light, but yeah, we finna make some macaroni. Well, I'm finna make some macaroni and some baked chicken and some butter sauce for my chicken. And y'all gonna hear baby cartoons and stuff, because if y'all didn't know, I have a son and he's watching cartoons right now. That's what keeps him quiet. I gotta put a billion and million toys in his playpen. It's like, be quiet. So okay, so right now what I'm doing, hold on, got my little cutting board. Hold on, guys. This, I need a new tripod, so it's really hard to have this tripod, like, don't mind my TV on the floor or the background, all that stuff over there. Just leave it over there. I don't have no furniture, sorry. So this is the butter sauce. Well, not the butter sauce, the butter. And I'm gonna put it in this little pot right here and turn it on. I'm gonna just use this actually for my chicken. It's the macaroni I'm using because I don't have no other one. Like, my mom went to the store and she only got me chicken, so I'm grateful for that. So I know I'm not gonna need all of this stuff. It's only me, so I'm gonna put this in. Probably put some. I don't like putting my macaroni. I really don't. My mom always do that. She always put macaroni, butter in my macaroni, like, or milk. I hate milk. Like, I just want to taste the cheese. I can barely taste the cheese, so why even put milk in it or butter? So I'm gonna just mix this up. I'm not a cook, but I'm trying. Like, I'm learning. I have to learn because I have a son. That one like, mommy, your food nasty. So this is what we're doing here. We're practicing. Let me just turn this up real high real quick, and then I'm gonna take it off the stove. Off the heat. Okay, so you know when you have chicken, you have to clean it, right? So I'm gonna have to move all this stuff away, out the way, so y'all can be over here. Hopefully, with my bad luck, it don't fall in the freaking water. Okay, so in a minute, I'm gonna answer some questions about the new Q&A while I clean this chicken. Make sure I clean my sink out, because nobody wants a dirty sink while I'm cleaning chicken or anything. So clean these little dishes and get some questions going. Get to know me. Tag questions. So 1, where did you grow up? I grew up in Newark, New Jersey. Irvington, and then Newark and then Irvington, sorry. How tall are you? I'm 5 feet. I'm not that tall. I'm a really short person. That's why I gotta maintain my weight, so I can be, you know, looking good. Cause it's summer. It's always summer. So I'm making sure I clean this out. This is the chicken I'm using. Let me cover up my address. this is the chicken I'm using. I'ma just get 4 pieces. I usually count my stuff because I don't like my stuff even. Yeah, some duck picking. I love my stuff even. So I'm gonna clean 2 for right now, and then I'm gonna clean the other one. I don't know what's not gonna be. I got no Saxon can't eat, you know, cause he got teeth, but it's not gonna work. So I just give him baby pieces. But I have my water like right there, so when I need to rinse it off. So this is how my mom taught me how to clean chicken. So actually I'll watch. So, pull the fat back, not the fat, the skin, and take all that fat off. I laugh. I put an agreement to my house that I won't have pork in this house because I'm trying to eat healthy. So baked chicken it is, because there ain't gonna be no fried chicken. I was slack when I went to my mom's house because I ain't lived with her in a while, and I went to her house and I stopped exercising. Nah, stopped doing my skincare routine. And I got that fat, gained another pound, and got a little bit uglier. Well, not uglier, but I got like my face, the dark marks start coming back because I wasn't doing my skincare. So now I'm back on it. Gotta get all of that fat. I hate when I'm eating something and then the fat part come up. Like I really hate that. Oh, I'm supposed to be doing questions. I'm over here talking about stuff. Y'all should have reminded me. See, I'll be forgetting stuff. Dang, my phone is tripping because of my hand. Ooh, I gotta watch that video. It's some tea going on, and you know, I'm a housewife, so I like the tea. But I don't get into the tea, that's the thing. Ooh, that's gonna be real good. I ain't gonna put you. Oh my god, my freaking phone works. Cash App. Oh shit, shoot, don't pay nobody. Who is your favorite best friend? I don't have no best friend, but the only friend I really do got is my cousin. So, I mean, we're not best friends, but I mean, I don't consider us best friends because we don't really talk like that. But that's one of my friends because like we forever. We've been talking forever now. Like 8 years, 8, 9. That's the only person I talk to. Like literally that's in my DMs that I talk to. That I can relate, you can relate on stuff. Alright, so I believe that chicken is good. This one is. Cat or dog for sure. I used to have a lot of dogs. Like my brother had a lot of dogs. And them dogs had puppies, dogs. What year were you born? I was born in 2001. I'm 19 years old. My phone is getting wet, so I might not be on Instagram for a while. Are you and have going to college? No, but I know, like, I already went on a tour of a college to see if I liked it. And I'm not sure. It's pretty far. So, yeah, I don't know. I need to. It's pretty far. I don't know. I think when I decide, I think I really do want to go back to New Jersey to go to college. But I'm not sure. My sisters went there to college. In high school, I just went to high school in here in Florida. My phone is getting soaked and wet. Let's see. What is your favorite drink? Mainly, I haven't been drinking water either. It used to be water, but right now, I don't know. I think Kool-Aid because, what is your favorite spirit animal and why? My favorite spirit animal is, let me see. I'll think about these things. I don't even know. Where, wait, where, oh, you're wearing perfume. What scent is it? Most likely, I don't even know. Probably vanilla, cause or fresh scent, like anything from Victoria's Secret. Cause my sister always shopped at Victoria's Secret, so I always have something new from Victoria's Secret. This is what sport? Oh, I skipped so many of them. Tea or coffee? Tea. If you know me, I'm a tea lover. I mean, like tea. Coffee cool, but tea one. Tea is everything. Okay. Like if you're not drinking tea, you're missing out. You are really missing out. What are your life goals? To keep doing what I'm doing because I'm doing good. Like I'm doing something good in my life. I'm not out here in the streets doing what everybody else doing. I'm working, got my own house, ain't gotta worry about nobody. Glad I don't got no friends. I'm glad I don't got people that really know me or like me. I'm glad, like I am glad, I'm glad I don't got nobody surrounding me in my face 24/7. Got me in book prep I'm supposed to be in. I'm a mom and we ain't having none of it over here. None of that, so keep that over there. I know it's a lot of people that don't like me, and you know what? I don't care. That's the thing. I don't care about nobody that don't like me. They ain't paying my bills. I'm doing me. I'm good over here. But anyways, this phone is aggravating me. So much fat right there. Or is that a bone? I don't even know. Make sure I got all fat. I don't like no fat on my shit. None. Oh, we see some fat. What's the next question? What sport do you play or have played? I played basketball. I think I already told y'all this, but like I said, some new people watch me now. So. I played basketball in high school. I was gonna do track, but I had low self-esteem back then because I got big boobs, so I was like, oh my gosh, let's start running, then my boobs gonna be jiggling everywhere. So yeah. Have any books you read changed your life? Have any books you read changed your life? No, not really. I read a couple touchy books, but they ain't changed my life. Oh, let me stop lying. Okay, so, no, nah. I was gonna say speak, like, cause this girl, when I'm finna say I ain't get raped or nothing, but this girl, she got raped and she got tortured and all this other stuff. And it's called Speak, like speak up if you're feeling something. I ain't never get, raped or nothing. Sorry for the people that did, but that's a good motivation book because it's like speak up. If something happening to you, if you're getting bullied or anything, speak about it. Don't hold it in. I think I threw that book away, to be honest. No, I didn't. No, I did not. It's actually in my house, in my room right now. So yeah. I gotta make sure I clean this chicken. What's another one? What is your favorite movie? Beyond the Light. It's a love movie and it is bomb and I love it and I have to keep watching it. Titanic is too. And the thing about Beyond the Light, I had the movie, but I don't know who took it out of my room, and my cousin gave it to me. And he's passed away now, and it hurt my feelings that I have none of the movies that he gave me. Like, why would you touch my stuff? And I'm pretty sure it was my mom, but we ain't gonna speak on that. But yeah. Who is your favorite YouTuber? My favorite YouTuber is me, cause like I'm a good YouTuber to me. People don't watch me, but guess what? I'm gonna make it in life. I'm gonna be big. I'm gonna be big. I already know. I'm gonna be big. People gonna be buying my products. I'm getting 50 orders a day. People see me in the morning, going, oh my god, Tay! I'm like, yeah, it's me. Want a picture? Yeah, I'm my favorite YouTuber. I ain't never had one. I like the Chris and Queen. I mean, yeah, I liked them, but they broke up, so I had nobody else to watch really. Joel and Lauren, the Cryer family. Erica, the Prince family, what else? I don't know who else I used to watch and into, cause pranks are getting boring. Like I know, like the pranks they be doing, they gotta know. Like every single day you getting pranked and you don't know. So I really like mukbangs, whatever y'all call it, mukbangs, and I like sit down and talks. You know, that's why I don't do breaks, cause they so fake. Like I'm gonna be fake for nobody. Challenges, I really like challenges. Pranks are okay, but at this point you should know they fake. It's all for entertainment, I get that, for little kids. I mean, little kids not gonna know it's fake, of course, but I know. Come on now. I'm not a YouTuber, but Paxton. But I know the game. Like, ew, this one got so much fat on it. Okay, so this is the chicken. I just got it on the chopping board so I can season it. Pick it up So put my butter sauce on here. I don't know why it's that color, but just gonna rub it on there. I probably like butter on chicken. What? Yeah, butter on chicken. Butter on chicken. I can't really get into it because I got Paxton, so this so don't dry up. So y'all was wondering. Like you could just put oil in it, but like I said, we healthy, so we gotta have stuff on there that needs to be on there. And I gotta get this whole chicken, so I might need some butter. I'll be right back when I put Paxton down. Okay. Let me answer these questions, finish answering them. Okay, it says, are you single or taken? I am currently taken. So, stop asking, please. Thank you. Even if I was single, you will not get me. Because I'm not going to be in another relationship, so yeah. My son will never in his life be around another man that's not his daddy. Maybe, maybe not, but I'm just saying, like, I'm not trying to have that in my life. I need my baby dad and his, you know, my baby with his real dad. So, I'm trying to keep that working, feel me? Okay, while we getting on, especially these really get dry when they getting baked. especially if they're not barbecued. Them things be fried. So I really be trying to get that, even though it's not gonna be no meat on there. But what is your idea of your dream date? Paradise. Come on now. We all want to go to Paris, don't we? No, I just don't really want to go on vacation all the time, like every 2 weeks or something like that. Like to different cities, different states, stuff like that. Like, you know, with the people I really love. I did it with my mom, you know, we went to different states and stuff. But it'll be really cool if I get to do it with my boyfriend. Take pictures, you know. Post them on an Instagram, our family page. So. How long was your longest relationship? 2 years. I've been in this relationship for 2 years. 2 years. Ever since I was 16. I'm now 19. 16, 17, 19. Well, we knew each other, you know, since I was 16. And he was 17. Now he's 20 years old. He big 20. Big 20. So. Turn this over. I never tried this, but I just thought about it because I'm like, every time I make my chicken, this part always be too crispy. Too crispy. I'm gonna just use all of this butter sauce up because yeah. All greased up, ready to be in the oven. The oven is already on, if y'all didn't know. I already turned it on, you know, to you know, do his thing. Okay, next question. What is your go-to hairstyle box braids, period? Cause like, I don't know, I gotta do cornrows, but cornrows is not for me. I got a big forehead. Let me wash my hands. I got a big forehead and cornrows itself, it's just not working. I mean, lace fronts are okay, but sometimes I feel like I, you know, get the wrong hair. I know to get human hair, but you know, like I feel like I will do the wrong thing. I could watch tutorials. I might do that for y'all. I had a wig before, but somebody else installed it, and that was in New Jersey. So if I lived in New Jersey, I would have hairstyles because I would go to a person that do hair. Where I live at, what baby? Where I live at, ooh, that's gonna make me cough. Where I live at, it's not a lot of people that does hair. Like you can't go to no hair salon. Yeah, I'm gonna use some salt. Every time I season chicken, it never be seasoned right. Like, you never can taste it. Alright, so flip this over. I'm like, dang, did I put too much? So I put too little? Try to get behind these, like the skin, so it can be all in there, like on the chicken. Some people eat the bone and everything, so you gotta get in there. Never know who's gonna come over. Well, nobody coming over to my house. You better know. I don't got no friends, like I said. But yeah. So hopefully this good. Hopefully it's salted enough and peppered enough. That's all I got right now, salt and pepper. So yeah, we here. Put it in this little can right here that I got from, I think, my grocery store. Not sure. Even my grocery, yeah, it was definitely from my grocery store. Not from Dollar General. So just pull the skin back on here. Back over the chicken. Because you know, as it get dried up, it'll string up. So make sure I do that. Stop, baby. It's hot. Hot. Ooh, you coughing. Don't cough on mama chicken. Cover your mouth. You getting heavy, boy. You getting heavy. Mommy may be getting heavy. So the seasoning is in the chicken, under the chicken stuff. You don't see none on top. Then move with that coughing stuff. You want some chicken, baby? I'm not sure how long you cook chicken. I just be checking it every now and then. So put that one right there. Okay. Okay. So the water is not all the way boiled, but it's skimming. Let me check on the chicken. Oh, it's so steamy. It's getting there. It's almost done. So the water is boiling. We have enough already. Oh Lord. I almost splashed all that hot water on me. I already burned my cooking son. It's not showing yet, but I did burn myself like right. Y'all see the redness? I burned myself. Didn't put no salt in this water. Like I said, I don't like butter or milk or nothing in my mac and cheese but the cheese. So. And if you skipped up my video, then you would know that I'm not using the packet of cheese that comes with this. Check on the chicken. Ooh. Got a little bit blood right there. That looks so nasty. That means it's not done yet. Yeah. So the macaroni noodles are done. I'm gonna pour it out and then I'm gonna show you how to put the cheese in. Alright. Can't really hold it. I'm gonna do this so y'all can see it. Sorry, I'm supposed to hear the pot moving, but I can't really stable it. That's how your macaroni is. Okay. This is how it's looking.